Hello friends, welcome back to our channel 10x Health and Nutrition. Now I am talking in this video 12 surprising factors that influence nutrient deficiencies, micronutrients and macronutrients. Nutrient deficiencies are a common root issue behind chronic symptoms, chronic health issues, and risk factors for chronic disease. While you may develop nutrient deficiencies due to a poor diet, the case of nutrient deficiencies can go beyond poor nutrition. Correcting the poor issues, correcting the root issues behind nutrient deficiencies and taking steps to improve nutrient intake and nutrient absorption can help you achieve optimal nutrient levels and improve your overall health. You will learn about in the role of nutrient in your body. You will go over the deficiency between optimal and adequate nutrient levels, marginal deficiencies and nutrient toxicity. I will discuss the 12 key factors that influence your nutrient status. Finally, I will share my best ways to support an optimal nutrient status to improve your health. Micronutrients vs macronutrients. Micronutrients. The chemicals found in trace amount in foods. More than 1% in most foods. There are three main groups: vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. Less familiar because we can't always easily pinpoint which ones are in which foods. Comprise small picture food elements because we need them in smaller quantities. Macronutrients. The way we classify calories in foods. More than 1% in most foods. There are three main groups: carbs, fats, protein. More familiar because they are how we classify foods. Comprise big picture food elements because we need them in larger quantities. The role of nutrient in the body. Macronutrients are nutrients that your body needs in large amounts. They include protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Micronutrients are nutrients that your body requires in smaller quantity amounts. Micronutrients include vitamins and minerals. Minerals are inorganic material found in soil and water and make it into our food that through that. Vitamins are organic compounds made by plants and animals. Minerals cannot be broken down. However, vitamins can be by water, heat, or acid, depending on the vitamin. Your body needs both macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients offer a solid foundation for your body. They provide structure and support, just like the wall and the roof of your house. Micronutrients help to create balance, safety, and health. They are like the electrical wiring, plumbing, and other smaller yet critical pieces of a home. They are crucial for your immune function, growth and development, metabolism, hormonal health, brain health, energy levels, and other key components of your optimal health. Nutrients are essential for energy production, building and repair processes, DNA synthesis and repair, cellular signaling and communication, and maintaining cellular homeostasis. Micronutrients work together as a team. If you are deficient in one micronutrient, chance are you may become deficient in another one. This may compromise overall health and balance. Since your body cannot make micronutrients, you have to meet your needs with nutrient dense foods from plants and animal sources. However, due to our depleted soil, environmental toxicity, chronic health issues, and other reasons, meeting your needs through food alone may not be possible. Even if you are following the healthiest diet, supplementation is often recommended or even necessary, especially if you have or at the risk of nutrient deficiencies. So this is all about in this video. If you want to learn more, subscribe our channel. Stay healthy lifestyle, learn more videos, and if you want any doubts and clarification, contact us. Thanks for watching this video.